Hello, coming back to our example with SAMR and math of Mr. Donnelly each year teaching the basics of geometric shapes, explaining how to identify those shapes, and then having his learners take an assessment. I'd like to step up now to the augmentation frame. So in substitution, we replaced paper worksheets with digital worksheets where learners did the exact same thing. Now in augmentation, I'm going to step it up to a place where once we learn the basics of the shapes, we're now going to add a layer where we're going to identify those in real life. So I'm going to have the learners go around the school, find examples of the shapes that I give them in real life in action. They're going to take some pictures of those and identify those within their pictures. So here I have a notebook from a learner where they've taken some pictures around the school, and then I'm simply going to have them mark those up so that here where we see that speaker, they're going to mark that up as a cylinder on the three-dimensional plane. In the example of this peace sign, again, they will mark this up and they can identify this as a circle. And the display case here can be identified in their real world as a rectangular prism. So they'll trace it and go ahead and identify that there. They'll then turn this worksheet or notebook into something like Schoology so that it can be shared directly with me. So that would be an augmentation of my original lesson. Now on the Google form, I'd like you to say why this is an augmentation or why it could be identified as an augmentation of my original unit or lesson plan.